Welcome everyone. This will be a step-by-step process on successfully submitting your child's application for KIPP Texas Public Schools. Let's get started. You will begin by going to kipptexas.org/enroll. That's kipptexas.org/enroll. Now that we're on here, go ahead and click on the Apply Now button below. This will take you to the KIPP Texas Schoolmate portal. Next, you'll need to create your Schoolmate account. To create a Schoolmate account, you can either click Login with Google, or you can click on the gray button below that says Create an Account. For the purpose of this video, we will click on Create an Account. Now, simply enter your email address or mobile number as your username, whichever you prefer. In this case, we'll be putting in username at yahoo.com. Go ahead and confirm that username right below. Next, you create a password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long. Friendly tip: you will need your username and password to check on the status of your child's application. Please keep it handy. Click the green Create an Account button to start the application process. You are now in the online enrollment system. Select from the Guardian Relationship drop-down menu. Let's move over to enter your name and last name, followed by your home address, it should populate, and select to have the city, state, and zip code entered. Now, enter your phone number or phone numbers, as well as your email address. Your contact information is so important. After the lottery, we will attempt to contact you with the information you have provided. Please reach out to your local student recruitment manager if there are any changes. Select the way you would like us to contact you. Email and text message, email only, text message only. To ensure there is always a way to reach you, please select both. If you want to add another parent or guardian, click Add Another Guardian. If you have finished adding guardian information, click Next. It's now time to add your student's information. Start with the first name, last name, date of birth, gender. The address information has already been selected from the previous page. You can also enter a new address if you wish by clicking New Address. If you want to add another student, click Add Another Student. Please ensure you complete all the steps for each student added. If you have finished adding your student's information, click Next. In the Student Information section, the school year 2021-2022 is automatically selected for you, and your student information has been populated. If you need to add another student, now's your chance to do so. Simply click Add Another Student. If not, scroll down and select the grade you are applying to. In this case, Jane will be applying to the 5th grade. Once you've done that, click Next. The next step is to choose your school. The school zoned to your address is highlighted as your priority school and may be pre-selected for you. There may also be an alternative option available for you to select. Please note, for transportation purposes, bus stops in proximity to your home will be associated with your priority school. In this case, student Jane will be applying to KIPP Camino Academy. Simply confirm that the school you're applying to is already selected, and we can continue by clicking Next. You'll now be prompted to fill out the application, starting with your student's information. Ensure that all required fields are filled in. Most fields are automatically populated, but it's always important to double check. The next section is voluntary and important information. If you have a child currently attending a KIPP Texas school, you will want to list this child's name in the sibling field. If you're a staff member working for KIPP Texas, you will want to list your name in the staff member field. The final step on this page is to confirm the student's primary guardian's information. Again, most fields should automatically be filled, but it's always good to double check. Once done, you can either click on Save Progress to come back to it later, or simply click Next. It's now time to confirm your application. Simply ensure that all student and guardian information is correct. Once confirmed, scroll down and click Submit. A pop-up window with a final certification message will come up. After acknowledging that the information in this application is complete and accurate, click Submit one more time. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted your application to the KIPP Texas Public Schools Lottery. You are now taken to our student dashboard. Here, you can edit your new student application and also check the application status. If you have any questions regarding your application, please contact your local student recruitment manager as seen on the screen. Thanks again. We look forward to welcoming you to the KIPP Texas family very soon.